Good morning, students. Now, in plus one bio, I have already started the topic phytohormones. Phytohormones means hormones which is found in the plants which help in their growth. We call them growth promoters, right? If you remember, and there are some hormones which will, you can say, retard the growth. Clear? हमने उनको growth inhibitors बोला था बेटा. Now I will one by one explain all those phytohormones. First, today I will explain the auxins, right? Firstly, discovery and isolation. Charles Darwin and his son F. Darwin observed that the coleoptile of the canary grass respond to unilateral illumination by growing towards light sources. उन्होंने क्या देखा कि जो ग्रास था वो लाइट की तरफ बेंड हो रहा था बेटा, फोटोट्रॉफिक कर्वेचर आ रहा था उसमें. आफ्टर अ सीरीज ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स उन्होंने उस पर देखा कि वाई इट इज़ बैंडिंग टूवर्ड्स दैट. तो इट वॉज कंक्लूडेड दैट द टिप ऑफ द कॉलियोपेटाइल इज़ द साइट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. तो उन्होंने ये रिसर्च के बाद देखा कि जो टिप है उसमें कुछ बन रहा है. क्लियर? एंड दैट कॉज द बैंडिंग ऑफ दैट कॉलियोपेटाइल टूवर्ड्स द लाइट. यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम ऑल्सो. क्लियर? इट इज़ बैंडिंग टूवर्ड्स दैट. तो इसको बोलते हैं एविना कर्वेचर टेस्ट. Clear? But we call it Avena curvature test. Now, FW went isolated. अब उन्होंने क्या निकाला वहाँ से कि टिप में क्या ऐसा केमिकल है. Isolated auxins from the tips of the coleoptile of the oat seedlings. तो वो जो केमिकल था वो था auxin. So this way auxin is discovered, right? Now, this word auxin is derived from the Greek word auxine, meaning to grow, right? That's its name is auxin. Now, indole 3-acetic acid, IAA, and indole butyric acid have been isolated from the plants. Clear? Naphthalene, acetic acid, NAA, and 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, 2,4-D, are synthetic auxins. Clear? जो हम labs में बनाते हैं, and they are also used for the growth of the plant. So, these are the synthetic auxins. Clear? Then, what are the physiological effects? प्लांट की फिजियोलॉजी पे ऑक्सीजन का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है. ना ऑक्सीजन बेसिकली कंट्रोल ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट सेल्स, राइट? मीन्स इट हेल्प्स इन द सेल डिवीजन एंड अदर थिंग्स. दे ऑल्सो कंट्रोल सेल डिवीजन इन वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम एंड जाइलम डिफरेंशिएशन. दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एपिकल डोमिनेंस इन प्लांट्स. दे प्रिवेंट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एब्सेशन लेयर एंड देयर बाय प्रिवेंट प्री मेच्योर फॉल ऑफ लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड fruits, right? Now, what are the basic uses of the auxins? Let's see. Auxins are used to initiate rooting in stem cuttings. जैसे हम रोज प्लांट लगाते हैं ना बट स्टेम को काट के, तो इफ़ यू विल यूज़ द ऑक्सिन तो इट विल हेल्प टू इनिशिएट द रूटनिंग. क्लियर? तो जल्दी रूट्स निकल आएंगे. दे आर यूज टू इंड्यूस पार्थिनोकार्पिक फ्रूट्स इन टमाटो. यू नो व्हाट आर पार्थिनोकार्पिक फ्रूट्स? फ्रूट्स विच आर फॉर्म्ड विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. 2,4-D is used as a weedicide, herbicide to kill dicotyledonous weeds, right? So we are using that. Then they promote flowering in pineapple and lychee. So these are some of the, you can say, uses. Auxins are used to prevent the premature, clear, fall of leaf, flowers and fruits. Clear beta? Now next is gibberellins. Discovery and isolation again. The Bacne, that's foolish seedling disease in rice seedling, was caused by a fungus Gibberella fusicoria. Clear? Now, E. Kurosawa found that the symptoms of the disease could be developed in unaffected seedlings by treating them with sterile filtrate of the fungus. Clear? अगर हम उनको treat करेंगे तो उसमें भी आ जाएगा. The active principles later identified by gibberellic acid. Now, there are more than 100 gibberellins responded from various higher plants and fungi. They are denoted as GA1, GA2, GA3 and means different, just numbers are given. GA3 is the first gibberellin to be discovered and is the most intensively studied. सबसे ज़्यादा जो स्टडी किया जाता है वो GA3 है बेटा, right? Now, how it affects a plant? They cause elongation of the internodes. You know internodes, जो दो nodes के बीच का space है. So they will help in elongation. अगर आपने शुगर केन को बढ़िया क्वालिटी में डेवलप करना, use the gibberellin, right? They promote bolting in roset plants like cabbage, beetroot, etc. Now GA3 initiate synthesis of hydrolysis to digest and mobilize the reserved food materials of the seeds to the developing embryo, and thus breaks seed dormancy, means helps to break dormancy, right? Then what are the applications of the gibberellin? It is used to increase the length of grape stalks. Clear? They cause the fruits like apple to elongate and improve its shape. They delay census and hence the fruits can be left on the tree for longer period. This increase and extends the market period. Then GA3 is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. By increasing the length of internodes in sugarcane, GA3 increased the yield of sugarcane by about 20 tons per acre. Spraying juvenile conifers with GA3 hastens their maturity and leads to early seed production. Clear, beta? So this is about auxins and gibberellin. Clear? Learn about these two phytohormones. Next we'll discuss in the next video. Thanks, beta.